Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. Today is July the 6th, 2018, and I wanted to show you one of the cabbages here. And you can see it has it's getting a really nice head on it here. Over here, this one here is getting a head on it. I believe these are the Copenhagen, I think that's how you pronounce it. If it's not, I apologize. Early market. And one thing that we'll have to watch with these, since they're forming like this, is that when it rains, that the head doesn't split open. So we're going to have to watch it. I will show you when we harvest it what it looks like. If your cabbage heads get too big and it rains on them, it will actually cause them to split open. And we don't want that to happen. So I just wanted to show you these here real quick. And I'm growing a Brunswick cabbage as well. And I'm also growing a late flat Dutch variety. Now that one won't be ready until later on in the season. And I'm also growing, you can see some of them out there. And I'm also growing a red acre cabbage. I believe that's the one that is. And you can see here, these are forming up in here. I love purple cabbage. It has a different flavor kind of to it. There's a little watermelon back there. And it just got done raining for like 2 days, so everything's really sloppy and wet, so I'm wearing my muck boots. So this is a Brunswick cabbage here. That one down on the end might be Brunswick. I can't find the other tag right now. The plants have gotten so large. And the plant and vegetable food, it has a lot of nitrogen in it. And for your cabbage, you want the nitrogen for the leafy greens. Now I want to show you this plant here. This plant here, it is wilted. Now, there is nothing wrong with this plant. What actually happened was, we've been getting rain so much this year that the roots never went down like they should have. So, the first day when the sun comes out again, and it starts getting a little warmer, I think it's in like maybe the upper 70s. I don't think we made it to 80 today. The plant's going to wilt because it's used to that constant water supply. And even though the ground is moist, it's just crying. So when the sun goes off of it, it's going to take it a little bit, but it will perk back up. So that's actually what's going on with this plant here. There is an occasion where there are root maggots that will attack your plants, and it will actually make them wilt no matter what. We've used Piola as a ground treatment. It's a natural organic product, and we used it as a ground treatment for those things when they have attacked before. But that's not the case this year. This is just the roots of these plants never went down like they should have because we've gotten so much rain. Oops, I'm sorry, I'm in the light there. So as soon as the sun's off of these, they'll perk back up. This one back here, which I'm in the light again, sorry. And they're just forming up our real nice heads for us. So I want to give you an update on the cabbage plants here. And I'll come back and I'll show you how to harvest that other one when we do harvest it. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have any questions, you can leave them below and I'll try and answer them for you. Please don't forget to hit that little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye.